event that he decides, parang kwan, natural fit. Yeah, perfect.
Hana.
Okay, so touching on the topic of being a father, I noticed sa trailer na pumapanag po kayo kay Janine kahit mali. So,
Yeah.
as a father, where do you draw the line between pumapanig ka sa anak mo and then calling your child out when you know that something is wrong?
That's a nice question because I've asked myself that question many times. You know, when I think that my kid may, or my child may have stumbled unknowingly, would they accept yung responsibility or blame? Yung akin is, sometimes you have to take the good with the bad. I never impose. Ako naman kasi, I never tell them what to do. Okay, bahala ka. Pag-isipo mo buti. All I ask is that you give it time. My son has, Luis has been through a lot. You know, still very young, pero marami na siyang nadadaanan. And each time, maybe initially, may konting resistance, but at the end of the day, nagtatagumpay eh. So, my daughter, ang kanyang pinakawan, biggest fear before was telling me that ikakasal na siya. Oo, talagang pan. And she could not do it in my face. Kailangan talagang long distance pa. And then, never, in her whole life, isang lalaki lang ang pinakilala niya sa akin as her boyfriend. Only because nahuli ko sila.
Hindi pa, hindi.
Otherwise, hindi niya makikilala sa akin.
Why
And,
kaya?
Si Ali?
Oh, why is she like that? Na sobra siya para sa'yo?
No, I love my children very much. You know? And sometimes maring misguided, but I only want the best for them.
Of course.
So sometimes, please, try not to understand your parents. You know, just tolerate them na lang. Because they have only your best interests in mind.
Wow, ang ganda no.
Related to that nga po, thank you for that kind of advice. Has there ever been a moment with your life, with your children, that you would think, oh, they've grown up already, kaya na nila?
Oh yeah, oo. And I hear it too often already now eh. At nakikita ko sa TV, nakikita ko sa pelikula yung, nung panahon mo. Yung panahon mo, di ba? Yung, alam mo nung panahon ko, 16 pa lang ako, nagtatrabaho na ako. Oo nga, nung panahon ko. Di ba? It's time. Tapos yung pag-aaral mo. My daughter goes, Dad, after she graduated sa Ateneo, she goes, Dad, I want to take a sabbatical. Sabbatical? You know, you're going to take your master's in Parsons in New York. Take your, Dad, I'm a forever student. And then you realize, no? Parang so, I gave her a chance to, search to find her little spot in the world. And I've never seen her happier.
So last from me too, also being a father, it also extended to the Lavender Fields younger cast. So what advice can you give to them who are trying to also find their place in showbiz?
They're actually on their way. I'm really, really happy, watching because, sometimes sa dami ng mga artistang nabibigyan ng break, many think that it's going to be forever. They're going to be, like I said earlier, they're going to stay stars for the rest of their lives. Yung kanilang lifestyle, they don't realize that it's not just being a beautiful face. It's not just being showbiz royalty. You really have to work. And so, I'm actually very, very proud of this cast. Kasi ako yata yung pinakatanda eh.
Hindi naman.
I wish I could say Albert Martinez, pero hindi eh. Talaga eh. And just looking at them from above, pag nakikita mo yun, hey, ibang breed na to. Diba? Thanks, Anne.
Okay. Based on the trailer, parang you are so ruthless. Where is your ruthless demeanor coming from?
Every time I look at Albert Martinez, I feel ruthless. I don't like Albert Martinez kasi. No, that's good. I cannot, Lex, I think you could say I've had quite a lot of experience already in my 43 years. But, we have two very good directors. Si Direk Manny, Paolo, and Direk Jojo. And, before kasi ibang klase mga director, medyo may narating ka na, meron ng mga natanggap ng awards, whatever, pinababayaan ka na eh. But not in this case. Direk Manny, Direk Jojo, they tell you. At hindi yung tinutulungan ka, bubulungan ka. Oops, itaas mo ng konti. Because he's not looking at you, yung individual, but he's looking at the scene being more effective. So, yun ang gusto ko kasi, it's not just a show of your acting prowess as an individual, kundi kung paano mo ipagsama-sama ang lahat ng characters para maging epektibo yung eksena.
To show meanness, where does it have to seep through?
From your toes. Oo.
Talaga?
You have to feel, because the moment you take the audience for a ride, hindi mo na pwedeng bitawan eh. Kailangan talagang they go with you and to the very, very end, they'll hate you. Until hopefully they meet you one day and realize, hindi naman pala siya ganun kasama. So, but you can feel it and again, here with a cast like this, I mean, sabi ko earlier, everybody has their moment to prepare for the scene.
One last question.
Lex, pakalawa pa lang yan. Wala ka na ba?
Hindi, meron pa nga, di ba? What is the anatomy of a screen body?
A screen body.
Your body ba? Screen body ka, di ba? B-A-D-D-I-E.
I thought you were saying body.
No! We're not bodies.
There yung kasi before, everything was in black and white. Bad is bad. Ngayon kasi when you talk about baddies, minsan nasa dialogue lang. Minsan nasa pananamit. I mean, kapag nag-leather jacket ka ngayon, medyo, kasi init-init sa Pilipinas, nag-leather jacket ka. So, malamang kontrabida yan. But it also important to point out that screenplay now is very, very important. Without being insulting, but yung choice of dialogue, it can also further enhance yung persona mo as supposed to be a screen body. But of the colors, I mean, everything now, you have AI already. Eventually, it's going to be able to create images that we have never seen before. I'm so excited.
Oo. May stereotyping sa mga kontrabida, di ba? Oo, palaging katulad ng sinabi mo kanina. Has it changed through the years?
Oh, yeah. And I'm very, very happy to say that even the production, for that matter, yung hindi ka basta bibitawan. Yung galit ka, didikit yung mga kilay mo, dinuduro mo yung tao. Now it's you can see that they're telling you when to level up your game or to when that you play it low, a little under. But hindi na pigeonholed lahat ng mga artista ngayon eh. So there's dati pag good girl ka dapat santa santita. No, ngayon they're allowing them now to fight back. So I think it's becoming more real, more yung makatotohanan talaga.
Last na. Tawag dito. What will your character, what will it give the audience? Kasi, di ba parang, naku, kontrabida na naman siya. Ano yung bago maibibigay niya? Kasi parang, di ba parang iisa lang, you were walking in the same line, di ba parang ganon?
No, now, kasi Lex, I would like to think that we've become better storytellers. At the end of the day, wala na ako social redeeming value. I have to die. Yung parang lang, sabi, okay, tama talaga. Yan pala, parang talaga hindi pwedeng masama ka lagi, mamamatay ka rin. But, there has to be a level wherein you started to see that the body's layered. Eventually, I can only go so far, but there'll always be, at the end of the day, there'll be retribution. Yung magbabayad ka talaga. So, to assume that one can live forever in that kind of a shadow of being a baddie, it will never work anymore. So, I mean, kasama lang ako doon sa kwento.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Mike.
Mahabol na lang sa inyo kasi